Okay, so okay, I think we are good now. I think we are good now. So welcome, good morning, beautiful morning. The network, the setup, everything is just they just want to do shakara this morning, but everything now is under control. So ladies and gentlemen, this setup, how this was the setup that is making me to let me be fast, let me be fast, let me be fast. So so that you guys can catch it while it's still at the entry. But right now, it's in profit, but not too far from the entry. If you still want to take advantage, you can take advantage of it. This is the USDJPY I called yesterday on this same live. This is the USDJPY I called yesterday on this same live. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm anticipating a buy. I'm anticipating a buy from this low here, from this area. I'm anticipating a buy. So congratulations to us, all, to anybody, to any of us that took this trade. Any of us that took this trade, congratulations. Even though this trade it play us, at the point in time it came to profit, go back to drawdown. But know one thing: anytime I call out a trade, there are two ways you can manage it. Either you set and forget, or you close when you are good in profit. That's just two ways to manage my trade. So either you set and forget, SL or TP, or you close while you are in profit. This trade right now, there's nothing like break even. I know the break even. Oh. It's either I set and forget, or when I see the profit has gotten to a certain level, I close in profit. But it's always set and forget. So that is that about that. Hey, Madam Juliana, after how many years? After how many years we finally see you? How are you, ma? How is your family? So if you are just joining, make sure you likes, tap the like button, tell us your name and the location you are joining us from. Let's welcome you back on board. Guys, remember our mentorship have started last Monday. Since Monday, our mentorship have started since Monday, and our students have started learning after they've started learning the simple concept way. Okay, so but we have not gone far. We are still at the very, very beginning topic. Like, you can still cash up if you want to take advantage. That's just the purpose why I'm saying this. You can still cash up if you want to take advantage, because if we get to a certain stage that I know that you might not be able to comprehend what we've been doing since the beginning, I'll not accept payment again. I'll not accept payment again unless if I know that, okay, you can still cash up. And another thing about that is that when we finish this mentorship, maybe after 2 or 3 months that we finish this mentorship, if by God's grace, which I know it will happen, if by God's grace I'm able to start flaunting my students' results together with mine, that we are flaunting our results, by the time we are going to roll out another mentorship, it is going to be more pricey. I've given the best price ever on this, the best price ever. In as much as I usually encourage people to go for the one-on-one, I usually encourage people to go for the one-on-one because that's the best. Trust me, it's the best. From experience, it's the best. So I usually encourage people to go for the one-on-one, but at the same time, if you don't have the money for the one-on-one, you can still go for the group mentorship. But one-on-one is the best. But of course, if you go for the group mentorship, the only difference is that you might not have a one-on-one access to me. All your questions will just be answered in group, and then everything like that. But of course, if you know what you are doing, if you have the money, go for one-on-one. If you don't have the money, you will still cash up with the group mentorship. You will still cash up. It might just take time. Like, if the one-on-one people, they are so serious, maybe in 3 months they started trading by themselves. Somebody in group mentorship will still let's say the person will still take like 4, 5, 6 months to put things together, all the mistakes that a one-on-one person will have been, I will have correct for the one-on-one person. The person might make it, correct it, blah blah blah. To cut the long story short, you know what is best for you. So, ladies and gentlemen, GBP card is still at the not far from entry. This is the trade for today. This is the trade we caught yesterday. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's now go through our pairs like we usually do. Let's go through our pairs like generally. So, but before I go through that, let me acknowledge the people that dropped their message. Okay, Chinedu Ojioba, good morning. Where are you joining us from, Mr. Chinedu? Where are you joining us from? So, let's quickly move on. Let's go through all the watch lists. I'm still traveling today. So I'm still traveling today. So I just want us to quickly rush over things. So, guys, give me like 1 minute. I'm coming, please. Give me like 1 minute. I'm coming. Okay. Okay. So moving on. Moving on. No need. Moving on. Moving on. What do we have here? We have AUD USD. What is AUD USD doing? AUD USD has been tanking. I think we did a top-down analysis before. So, okay, it is expected that AUD USD react from this area. It is expected it to react from this area, but still on still, we don't have a clear setup yet. We don't have a clear setup yet. But based on once market take out this high, okay. So it is this setup that got invalidated. I'm coming. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing is that I am looking at a possible scenario that can actually continue this sell that this guy has started. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Market has come back to use this. Market has come back to use this. So I'll talk about this in the mentorship, guys. If you are online right now, remind me. I want to talk about what happened here in the mentorship. So moving on. So what this is what I'm anticipating on AUD USD market to tap here, get us reaction and then tank. Okay, to continue the downside. This is what I'm anticipating. Then moving on to GBP USD. This is the setup. This setup is still valid. You can see this one is not valid anymore because it didn't give us what we want. We had the manipulation, we didn't have a break of structure. So therefore, this is not complete. Once we have our simple concept complete, then we can be so confident to take our trade. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm anticipating a buy from this area. Price might get there, price might not. Anything that make market tap into this area, I should be expecting a buy from USD JPY. Okay, so on gold, what do we have on gold? No, gold has done what it's supposed to do. It has moved. And I didn't position myself for this trade though. For position, but it's all right. Okay, I was expecting it to come below. It's okay now. So there's no serious manipulation here. There's no serious manipulation. So gold has left. We can still, there's something here, just that it's not an A setup. It's not an A setup, trust me. We have a manipulation here, and we have our break of structure right here. It might and it might not play out, and we have our inducement right here. So where is our POI? Okay, looking at this, okay, I'd rather use this as my POI. I'd rather use this as my POI with my stop loss covering this point of invalidation. Okay, and of course 1 to 2.3. So this is what I'm anticipating on gold. This is what I'm anticipating on gold. Remember I said it's not an A setup, more or less like a B setup. Okay, so that's what I'm anticipating on gold. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. This one, what it's supposed to do last is what it did first before it's supposed to have a break of structure before this move. Now we had the move before the break of structure. So all this one now they are now invalidated. All of it is now invalidated. All of it is now invalidated. Okay, So nothing serious yet. Nothing serious yet. Moving on. CHFJPY. All these pairs start. They just start consolidating unnecessarily. No clear movement yet. BTC. We have a setup on BTC. This we have a setup on BTC. Let's hope it will come for us. Aside from that, nothing serious on Ethereum also. AUDJPY, yes, it will take out this low. So I need an intent. I need it to show me a clear, simple concept. Not yet. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the GBP card I called this morning is in profit. Okay, I called it live. In fact, I was rushing to start this live because I slept late. So immediately I woke up after my prayer, I just look at the chart like this. It's like, wow, this trade is looking ready. So just shower on my system, and now the system is now messing up. Oh God, off it. Do everything again and do everything again and do everything just to make sure that this trade, people cash it at the entry. Yeah, so now it's in profit. It's okay. That's the way we caught USDJPY2 yesterday. US oil, nothing serious. You have a manipulation here, but no inefficiency here yet. Let's see, going to higher time frame. Oh, sorry for that, guys. I still need more sleep. Oh. This thing might play out, it might not play out. I don't know, but let me just mark it out. I have a clear manipulation here. After that clear manipulation, we have a clear break of structure to the downside. It's just three things. Three things upon three things. After that, we have an inducement right here. Oh, why am I yawning like this? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wetin happen? So after that, based on 5 minutes time frame, okay, I'll use this. I'll use this POI. I talked about POI violation to some of my mentorship students. If you understand that thing, you understand why I'm picking this POI. You understand why I'm picking this POI. What I'm saying, what the analysis I just did right now, if to say I am on 1 hour time frame, I won't see it that clear. I won't see it that clear. My inducement will not be here. My POI will not be here also. Let me just do like this. So, but to be on the safer side, just do like this. Cover this whole thing. Yes, cover the whole thing, and then this what matters now. So, and we have our 1 to 2.3 nicely here. Okay. So this is the setup we have on US oil this morning. Nothing serious on all these ones. Nothing serious. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is that about that. That is that about that. The US oil. This is the setup we have. DPP card. Oh my God, this thing is going to smash TP in front of everybody. Yeah. Let me paste this. Yeah. Get out. Get out. So now, I think I'm done with my own watch list. If you have yours, you can suggest. But I think I'm done with mine for now. So, any question? Let me acknowledge people that are on the live. Or let me say people that are on the live that drop message. Mr. Shinedu is from Anambra. Mr. Suraj Dauda from Edo State. Mr. Kofi V. Julio. I believe you are from Togo, right? Am I correct? Are you from Togo? So, ladies and gentlemen, that is that about that. Skill set. When God bless you with these skills, when you understand it, when the knowledge is sitting properly in your head, give glory to God though, because it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. You will start printing thousands and millions of dollars. It's just a matter of timing. Trust me. It's just a matter of timing. So, any questions so far? Let's look at GBP cards, sir. It's GBP card that we are making money off now. We are already making profit of that. That's GBP card we are having right now. GBP card is what we are making money off right now. Yeah, so I think that's that about that. If you don't have any question, let me quickly end the live session right now. Ending the live session so that I can have a session with my mentorship students. Like, let me quickly have a session, if possible, this morning because I'm traveling immediately. I leave here. I'm going to visit my boss. Of course, I'll be doing video from there too. That's online also, Mr. Gerard. I'm going to, I'm going to pay him a visit. Did his birthday last week. Was it last week? Yes. I've not paid him visit since then. I want to go and pay him a birthday visit. No, this is the person I met online and he accepted me. Now it's not like my boss anymore, it's like my brother. So go to his place, he has come to my place. We're good now. And moreover, it is through him that I met Forex. He's a YouTuber, he's an online, he's a YouTuber, affiliate marketer, but it is through this, my brother, I met Forex. And he's doing very well. Somebody that has over 500,000 subscribers on his YouTube. So you know he's a boss. Over 500,000 subscribers on his YouTube. So through him, I met Forex. Was like, why will you even meet me and you not do what I do? Because he has a friend that are doing Forex, and I just like when those one present, I was like, wow, I like this. This is what I want to do. I want to be a YouTuber, affiliate marketer. No, I want to be a real Forex trader. And guess what? He supported me. He supported me because he had a program. I think he had a paid program then that invited some of his friends to come and talk about their online business. And while I was listening to that program, I got interested in Forex, and that's how I started Forex. This is 3 years back story. So, but today, he's always very, very happy that he knows how I am when I met him, and he knows how God has actually come through for me, and he's always very, very proud of me. So I'm going to pay him a visit today. and I will not be coming back today. I don't know. So if we don't have any other question, let's call it a day so that I can quickly have a session with my group mentorship. Oh, Mr. Sorai said it was through Gerard that he met me. That's beautiful. So I'm going to him today, so I'll extend your greetings if you want me to. So let's quickly let's call it a day. Let's call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. Let's call it a, we have called our trade, we have called our trade. So hold on to your trade. I told you there are two ways to manage the trade I called. It's either you close in profit, like you've seen the profit and you are okay with it close. There's nothing like break even. Me myself, I know the break even again. Break even don't show me shaggy. If the trade want to enter loss, just like this one now, you enter loss, I accept my loss. This one now, I set and forget. So therefore, I don't tell you. But somebody said USDJPY yesterday. I asked them to break even. I said I didn't remember saying I asked anybody to break even on USDJPY yesterday. Because anybody that clearly break even this trade yesterday will be taken out. That is one of the reasons I don't break even my trade. This trade has gotten to this level in profits, almost like one to one. It has done like 1-to-1 yesterday, and it went back up. Take out whatever here, and then finally come back down. So a break-even trader will have been out of this trade, and then the TP will have been smashed. I don't break even. The reason why I don't break even, the psychological reason behind it, I will tell my mentorship students, but I don't break even. Don't break even. So let's call it a day. Bye from here, guys.